Hi guys, today I'm going to create this wing pink makeup look, and this is so amazing, so beautiful look. You can see that how I created this pink wing, and you can create it on parties. Even if you're a nikah bride, mangni bride, you can create for yourself. So I'm starting with Maybelline Master Concealer. I have already applied this concealer, so I'm not showing you. And then I'm using this Tarte palette. You can use any palette which have good shades of pink. So I'm using this darker shade of pink with this submerged brush. Smudge brush is actually a pointed brush, so I'm using to create kind of a liner pink look. So what I'm doing here, keep this thing in mind, that I am just tabbing this eye shade on my eyelid. That's it. I'm not rubbing it. I'm just trying to put it on my lid and getting the maximum pigment of my shade. And I'm just going along with my eyelash line and my outer edge of my eye, because I have a hooded eye, so I'm getting it a little outer. So whatever thickness I want, I'm trying to get those thickness. So just be gentle, be careful, because it's a liner kind of a look. And after that, I'm going to blend it with a pink transition shade. You can use any lighter shade of pink. I'm going to use the pink shade here on the top of and on my crease line. With the blending brush, I'm using a pink shade with the same palette of Tarte. You can use any other pink shade if you want. Be careful that I'm not rubbing it on my pink liner. I'm just putting it on my crease line, and I'm trying to blend the outer edge of my pink liner. That's it. So just blending and giving a uniform look. If you want, you can use a clean brush at the end like this and do a little more blending on the top of your crease. Here I feel that some of my liner got fade, so I'm just putting little more liner here, little more shade. Lastly, I'm using this makeup brush, and I'm using Huda's beauty palette, and it's a shimmer pink shade. You can use any pink shimmer shade. This brush is really good for shimmer and metallic shade, but you can also use the finger. So it will help you to give the maximum pigment. I just applied on my lid, but be careful that you have to blend it with other shades, including your transition shade and your liner. So yeah, that's the very important part of eye makeup, that all the makeup, all the shades should be blended out. So the last thing which I'm doing, it's optional, you can do. You can use a gel pencil. Gel pencil is a buttery textured pencil. So like this, I'm using a Milani's gel pencil, and you can use it on the outer edge just to enhance your wing. I'm just creating a simple line. You can see I'm not putting all over my liner. I just want to keep my pink shade there. So that's it. And in this way, you can have a very sharp wing look. So you can see. And now I'm applying mascara and my lashes behind the camera. And I'm going to do a little bit of under eye makeup. I'm using same shade of pink. And here it is, the final result. You can see how beautiful wing pink makeup I have achieved. This looks so beautiful. You can try on wedding ceremonies or any other day. So yeah,